Hi everyone, good day. Welcome to my very first video tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll teach you on how to make this masterpiece using Canva. So this is what it looks like. So I'll share with you how I did this. So first off, we'll start with the basic. So you go to your Canva account, by the way, I'm using Canva Pro. Gagawa muna tayo. Let's create a design. So it's up to you on what dimensions you'd like. In what I did is I used the video dimension, but we can use also the Facebook post dimensions or any here. There are suggested dimensions here that you can use, or if you have a dimension in mind, you can make it using custom dimensions. So figure I'll make it a Facebook post. Since post din naman. Yeah. Start. So we have a blank page here. So we will make a background. So our background would be a video. Actually, you can do photo background, so to make it look like a photo mosaic. But if we can do video, then why not? I'll be using also the same keyword that I used, mother and child video. So here are the videos available that you can use. So these are all available for Canva Pro users, but you can filter it to see the free videos. So we'll be using this okay, this one. So to set it as a background image, a video, you can right click and then press this one, set video as background. Okay, so here it is. And next step is we will do the collage so that it would resemble a mosaic. So let's go here at the elements. And this is the trick, mga mommies. We can make use of the grids. There are tons of grids available that you can use. But of course, what we are using to resemble a mosaic is the square ones. So this is the squares available. So what we do, just adjust the size. This is just adjust the size and make use of the rulers so that you would know ano yung size niya, or here size 940 to 788. Uh, 940 divided by 3. So I'll be using 3 of these grids. So 313 and 788 divided by 3, then 262. So I'll be using this one, 311. Tapos dito is ano yun? 262. Can make use of this 262 or ganito. So, mga ganitong size. Tapos copy-paste mo na lang. Para madali. O, diba? Tapos, copy-paste mo din lahat. Okay? And here we go. Dito naman tayo sa photos. And then, our keyword would be same, mother and child, or anong gusto nyong concept na gagawin. So, these are the available photos that you have. So if you have some photos stuck in your cell phone or in your laptops, make use of it, especially for us moms. What we can do is we can upload those pictures here. So you can upload image here, upload, and you can also upload videos as well. So may sarili kayong video na gusto nyo i-background, can upload this. So here are the photos available. So most of this are photos available for the Canva Pro users. So filter here to see what are the free photos available if you're not using the Canva Pro. So here, madami din, diba, mga mommies? Would depend on what concept you're gonna make. So my theme is about mother and child. So you can do travel, your travel adventures, your travel photos, any concept that you might think and you have stock photos available in your memories. Make use of it and make it into a beautiful art using Canva. So what I did is I just drag and paste. Drag and paste, drag and release. Oops, sorry. So, dito lang tayo matatagalan. If you have all the photos available, madali na lang yan. Madali lang naman to, mamis. Okay. So, kung bigger yung dimensions nyo and smaller yung grids, of course, medyo matatagalan ka kasi of course maraming photos yung ilalagay mo. Pag ganito po mga mamis, kung ito putol siya, you can adjust it. Double click lang, tapos ganun. Okay. Tapos na siya. Pero, hindi natin makita yung background. So, what we will do is make use of this transparency feature ng Canva. So, it's up to you kung anong transparency yung gagamitin nyo. Or you can 50 lang transparency. Okay lang din po yan. So if you point on this group of grids, kasi diba by 3 siya. 3, 3. So, since naka-group na siya, so By group din yung pag-set ng transparency. You can see, diba, may mga space siya in between. You can, if you prefer this one, you can do this style. But if you prefer na walang space in between yung mga pictures, you can make use of this spacing. So just click this grid and then the spacing and then make it 0. Okay? Diba? This is what it looks like. Okay, so 0. Maganda ata siya pag 0. So 0 na lang natin lahat. Let's see. Yung sa akin kasi may space. Actually, recently ko lang din siya napansin na pwede din palang may ganito. So, you can adjust na lang din po yun po kasi may space din dito. The animation. So, you can choose if you want to animate. So, this is what it would look like if we put some animation. So if you have block, kung block siya, this is what it looks like. Bakit walang effect? Teka lang. Yung ganun yung fade. Tapos yung pan, ganyan yung animation niya, yung rise, ito yung tumble. Ito available for the Canva Pro users. Stamp lang siya. Then from baseline, then this is pop and neon. Parang pwede to yung mga party. Then scrapbook. Yung mga ganito. Cute, diba? Make use of none. Alright, let's try this scrapbook. Okay. Put some music, background music. So here, but there are also free audios here that we can use. So, piano, ito yung ginamit ko. Morning Snowflake. Or there are a lot of music here that are free. Gusto ko to. So here is the finished product. Sobrang dali lang po niya, di ba mga mommies and dad? Tapos, i-change ko lang yung, i-touch ko lang yung background and cute. Make this and set image background here. This one. Pwedeng ganun. Pwedeng ganito. Ganun lang siya. Just simple as that. Diba, madali lang siya. So you can publish it directly to your Facebook, or you download it as MP4 video. Tapos na po yung tutorial natin. So hopefully, makagawa din po kayo ng sarili ninyong version ng photo, video, mosaic collage using Canva. Thank you po sa lahat ng nakikinig at sumubaybay ng tutorial na ito. This is my very first tutorial po, and thank you po for bearing with me. Thank you po for tuning in to this tutorial. Let's all maximize the features using Canva. So let's be creative po in using this wonderful app, and share your ideas din po if you have creative stuffs in mind or concepts that you would like to share with us. And if you have questions po regarding this video, you can send us your questions, post it in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer all of the questions as much as I can, or as much as kung ano yung knowledge ko about Canva. And God bless po sa inyong lahat. See you in my next vlog. Bye!